Welcome! Learn to use the Gogo Service Agreements app to select services and plans for the Gogo equipment on your aircraft and sign the Subscriber Service Agreement, or SSA. The SSA is your contract with Gogo Business Aviation for the in-flight entertainment and connectivity equipment and services installed on your aircraft. You'll use the Service Agreements application on Gogo to complete this process. The SSA process begins with a call from you to the Gogo Customer Operations team at 303-301-3278. You'll receive an email that gives you access to information about voice and data plans. When you're ready, click Login to Dash now. Upon login, you'll see the applications that are available to you. It might only be one or two, depending on your role. Note the Dash logo in the upper left corner. This is a button available on every screen of all the apps, and it will bring you back to this page. Select Service Agreements to begin. On the Service Agreements overview page, you'll see a list of active service agreements for your organization. The one you're here to complete should appear at the top, and its status will show as new. Click the tail number for that aircraft to proceed to the next step. Click Let's Get Started. Verify your billing information and add a hangar address. Click Next to proceed. Now fill in the form to add your billing contact name and information, and the same for your chief pilot and director of maintenance. Using the Add Contact drop-down menu, you can provide more contacts if needed. Click Next when the form is complete. Now confirm the details of the aircraft and select a primary use. Review the equipment details, answer the brief questions about non-Gogo equipment, and click Next. Now, based on the equipment installed, select the subscription plans you want. In this example, for Iridium Voice, select a billing agent and a calling plan. Choose to add Gogo Vision for in-flight entertainment and choose a domestic or international subscription. Note that because Gogo is in the US, domestic means English language content. Choose a data and voice plan to go with your ATG system. Finally, select an option for receiving your bill just by email or by email with a mailed paper copy. Click Next to continue. Now it's time to review and accept the terms and conditions of your subscriber service agreement. You'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the document to activate the Accept button, then click Next. Now review a summary of what you've signed up for. You'll have an option to e-sign the agreement or click Print and Sign to print, sign, and email it to Gogo. Click Continue. You'll now see that the status for your aircraft has changed from New to Print and Sign in progress. You'll receive an email with a PDF you can print, sign, scan, and email the entire document back to Gogo. If you chose e-sign, your SSA will automatically be sent to Gogo Customer Operations. Gogo's goal is to process your request within 72 business hours. If you submitted your request during business hours, turnaround may even occur the same day. These requests are not handled at night or on the weekends. As soon as your account is built at Gogo, you'll receive a welcome letter and access to eBill in Dash.